Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, now go to the screen you want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open some application. For example, this one. Once you go to the screen you want to capture, to take a screenshot, press and hold the action button and the back button together and keep holding them until you see screenshot as saved message on the screen. And basically that's how you take a screenshot. If you want to access the screenshot, you will need to plug your watch to the computer with the USB cable provided with your watch. You can plug the one end here and the second end to the computer, and then you can open the folder of the watch and go to this location, Garmin/screenshot. And once you open the screenshot folder on your watch, on the computer, you will see screenshots there. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.